Prince, come here, Princey. Can you stop singing just because you can sing? Come here. Yes.
Oh, this is nice.
I let my cockatiel watch TV. He thinks he's part of the movie. How cute!
Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark, do 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 do. Baby shark. Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do 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 a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do do ba do ba do a do 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 a do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do ba do ba do a do ba do ba do 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 ba do yeah. Do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba do ba.
Oh, damn it.
Sorry.
I don't care. That's some water. What the hell? Hello?
Hello.
It's Squirtle. Here we go. Hang on.
Here we go.
Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I've never loved one like you. best friend, I scream into the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need. Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ. Ain't nothing pleased me more than you. Oh, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
Ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Hey, bud. Hey. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey. Sir, ma'am. Come on. I gotcha. I gotcha. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm holding a freaking hook. Hi. Hi. I gotcha. Hello. Hi. Hello. Gotcha. You're good. You're good.
This is a Emmanuel, do not do it. Emmanuel, don't do it. Emmanuel, don't do it. I'm trying to educate people right now, okay? Can you just stop? Can you just tall? Emmanuel, every time. Emmanuel, don't do it. Emmanuel, don't do it. Emmanuel, don't do it. Emmanuel, don't choose violence today. Please, every day we go through this. Gosh, it's never ending. Our black swan, actually, that may be him right over there. Emmanuel, don't do it. Emmanuel, you know what? Do it. How did that make you feel? Was it everything that you ever wanted and wished for and hoped for in life? Do you feel fulfilled now?
Lights, camera, action.
Are you good?
Please, we're not ready. No, not me first. I don't want to go first. I get back. Damn it. Fine, hun. Love you. Where am I going? Through this tunnel? All right. See you later.
Nobody move. If we just don't move, nothing bad will happen.
That is bullshit, David.
Well, at least I'm coming up with ideas.
It's just a tunnel over here, guys. Fuck yeah.
A tunnel. Gus said it was a tunnel. Maybe the tunnel is a good thing. Oh, hello. Hi. Where's this tunnel? Okay, there it is. It's quite dark. It is dark. Don't poke me in my own time. I'm going to do it, everyone. I think I'm going to in my own time. Whee!
I don't like tunnels. Excuse me. Excuse me. I can smell it. Oh, wait for me. Hey, odd me. All right. Yeah, I'm happy to go next. Hey, thanks for looking after us, by the way. I'm going to be like Mario. Woohoo! What? I don't do goodbye speeches. I got fucking nothing to say. Yeah, I know where the tunnel is. Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you just hear me out for 1 minute? Everyone else might like to... Oh, God, you're squeezing me. Everyone else might like to go in the tunnel, but that does not mean that I want to go in the tunnel. Like, okay, don't click your fingers at me. Fine, I'll go.
You feeling funky today?
You ready to go all the way downstairs, Soup? Let's do it. Ready, Soup? Okay, let's go.
What's that mean? You're so talkative. Hi.
Good girl. You look beautiful. Oh, okay.